My programs.
Teams. My calls. Make call. Letter. JAMES. Close keyboard. Select item 4.
Hey Zach, how's everything going? Happy Friday, man.
Hey James, it's good. I'm at that inverter that was requested, but I'm not sure which breakers I'm supposed to check. Can you help me out?
Yeah, no problem. Let's see if we can figure out which one it is. If you can figure out which manual it is, I can pull up the PowerPoint that we use from training.
Okay, let me check. Taking a look right now.
Can you look at control panel to make sure we've got the right one? Should be ISI 3UFT.
Can you see that all right?
Yeah, looks good. That's the right one. All right, perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and try and share my screen right now to get the PowerPoint material rolling for you.
Okay, I'll hang tight.
All right, can you see my screen?
I can see it. It looks like you're opening something up.
All right, just give me a second here. It's got to load up. All right, can you see the PowerPoint now?
I can. Can you full screen that for me?
Yeah, let me blow it up. Just a second here. All right, do you see what you're looking for now?
I can see the page, but I don't think we're on the right page.
How about now?
That's helpful, but that's all exterior.
Okay, can you take a picture and let's see if we can figure it out that way.
1 second while I pull up my camera. Open chat. Take photo.
Yeah, maybe zoom in and hit the flash.
Zoom level 4. Flash on. Take photo. Send message.
All right, I see it now. I'm gonna go ahead and annotate and send it back to you.
Okay, thanks.
All right, it should be on its way now.
Select item 4. Perfect. Okay, yeah, I can see it great.
Awesome.
Return to call. Turn video on.
All right, can I help with anything else?
I think that should be it. I'll call you back if I need anything.
All right, man. Have a great weekend.
Hey, you too. Thanks. Terminate call.